If you've ever wondered how to view your OneDrive memories, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. Whether you're looking for old photos from a special date, a trip, a family event, or just a collection you forgot about, OneDrive makes it surprisingly easy to find those moments again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go directly to OneDrive.com and sign in with the Microsoft account that contains your photos and memories. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one Microsoft login, because your memories and photo collections will only appear in the account where they were originally stored. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand sidebar. Find and click on Photos. This is where OneDrive keeps your photo-related content organized, including albums, collections, and memory style views. After that, look at the top menu and click on Moments. This is the section you want if you're trying to view memories in OneDrive. Moments is designed to help you quickly revisit photos and collections based on time, people, and places, so it's the easiest place to start when searching for older memories. Now you'll see a search bar inside Moments. This is the key part of the process. You can type in different kinds of search terms depending on what you remember. For example, you can search by date if you know approximately when the photo was taken. You can search by place if you remember where it happened. You can also search by people if OneDrive has recognized faces in your photo collection. And if you're looking for a specific group of images, you can search by photo collections as well. Take a moment to try a few different searches if needed. Sometimes a broad search gives you the best results, especially if you only remember part of the event or date. If you're not seeing the exact memory right away, try changing the search term slightly to narrow it down or make it more specific. Once you see the result you want, select it. OneDrive will then open the related memory or photo collection for you. From there, you can browse through the images and revisit the moment you were looking for. This is a great way to quickly find old photo sets without manually scrolling through everything in your cloud storage. And that's it. You've now learned how to view OneDrive memories using the Photos and Moment sections inside your account. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when you want to revisit photos from a certain date, place, or person. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials on Microsoft tools, cloud storage, and everyday tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.